One of the debates that I often have with myself when it comes to watch collecting is, do I or don't I like black watches? Well, this one from Ball really made me think extra hard. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. I'm excited to share a unique looking watch with all of you because it comes from a brand that really can be a little bit unheralded, but carries their weight really, really well. They manufacture incredible quality wristwatches with wonderful design, and this one is a great example of that. Before we dig into all those details, we'll invite you to subscribe to our channel so you catch all of our upcoming videos on watches like this one. This exciting wristwatch has a 42mm diameter with a 53mm lug-to-lug. It's 14.5mm thick and it's powered by the Ball RR1102-C Automatic. I've personally been really looking forward to seeing this watch in person because ever since we reviewed the original Skindiver from Ball, I've been excited to see this modern twist. The main difference here obviously is that we have a black DLC case and bracelet instead of the standard stainless steel. We also get another fun difference in the bezel. The insert for the bezel is sapphire on this watch instead of a ceramic, more traditional for a dive watch. One thing that you do still get with this watch, of course from Ball, is impressive build quality. The case and bracelet feel incredible and the finishing is done to a very high level. Ball Watch Company has a well-documented history with the United States railway system, so for them to have an impressive line of dive watches is so much fun and a great twist on the brand. I really like that they didn't go all black on this one. Even though the case and bracelet are obviously that dark DLC black, you do get wonderful accents on the dial and on the bezel, making it extremely legible. I like the way that they did the bezel on this watch. It's got a great texture for the grip around the outside, and it's very fine looking. It matches the look of the modern case and bracelet. The case has flat sides to it, so this is going to wear every bit of its 42mm diameter. As we've seen previously with Ball watches, the bracelet on this watch is particularly impressive. I think that the fit between the bracelet and the case is very nice. The H-link design with the polished center link is gorgeous, and the clasp feels very sturdy and well machined. Always my favorite feature from these watches. The 1102 caliber in this watch is a modified Salida, so it's very standard and definitely going to do its job. It's got a 38-hour power reserve, a 28,800 vibrations per hour beat rate, and looks great with some nice finishing on the rotor. One of the most exciting features on this watch is the lume. We've got tritium gas tubes on the dial with varying colors. With its larger diameter and longer lug-to-lug, this watch looks great on my 8-inch wrist, but there's still room for someone with a smaller wrist to enjoy this timepiece. I find this to be a very intriguing watch from Ball Watch Company, and I think it does something different, especially when it comes to the design. After spending a little bit more time with this wristwatch, I think the answer for me is I might like black wristwatches. This one has a wonderful color tint to it, it's built super well, and comes in at an extremely attainable price point when it comes to luxury wristwatches. If you'd like to purchase this watch or any of our others, please visit us at righttime.com or give us a call, we're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.